Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from JoAnn's and it's really light, so can you guess what's in it? If you guessed yarn, you are correct. So I have some projects in mind and I know that I have yarn upstairs, but when it's on sale and I'm into knitting like I am right now again, I tend to just want to buy all the yarn. It's a bad obsession of mine. And I know I have another box coming, so I won't show you everything, or I'll show you everything and then I'll probably add the other one on. So this one has, well, I'll just take it out. Oh, I got some tags. I'll show you those. Okay, I will put this down and then. So they had their Softy on sale, their Softy Chunky, which I like to use on some projects, and I'm hoping to do a couple quick Christmas knits. And this is a beautiful color. It's called Rose Gray, or Gray Rose, and it's just a light pink. I don't know, it's beautiful. It's a really pretty color. That's picking it up pretty well. It's kind of, I don't know what kind of pink it is. A rose gray pink. Come on, Tammy. So I got 5 of these, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And I have a project in mind for those. And then I bought one big thing of Super Saver Jumbo Red, and it's just cherry red. I want to make a Santa basket, and I needed some inexpensive, nice red. So that's where the Super Saver comes in for sure, because it fits the bill. Inexpensive. I mean, look how big this is. A huge jumbo roll. This is 774 yards of red yarn. So, you know, it's nothing special, but it's nice for what it's for. And then I have one of the Red Heart Baby Steps. This is pretty soft. It is called Deep Sky, and I had a project in mind for this, but now I'm kind of changing it, so I'm not sure what. I don't really have anything for it right now, but it's a really pretty blue color. Sometimes it's hard to pick out yarn online, but this looks like I remember it looking. And then also for the snowman basket, I needed some like off-white, and that's what this one is. What do they call this? They call it, it says papaya on it. No, eggshell. I'm like, what the heck? That must be what this one is. But it's eggshell, and it's just this Super Saver. And I have 2 of those. And then also for another project, I thought that I would get this, and it's called Elephant, and it's just a really pretty soft gray. This is for babies, and I think I got 3 of these. 1, 2, yes, I got 3 of these in the elephant color. It's not picking it up very well. Maybe that's a little bit better. I don't know which light it is. Oh, there we go. That's a good color. Yeah, that's good too. So that is what it looks like. So it's a really pretty soft, nice gray, and I have a project in mind for these as well. So everything I bought, I have a project in mind for, except for this one skein now because I changed it up. But I think that I could do something with this. What would you do with this color? I could do a baby, but I don't need to do anything for babies right yet. Just tell me what you would do with this. I'd like to know. It is nice. It's pretty. So I will show you what I get next as soon as I get it, and I'll just try to attach these 2 together. So hopefully it'll be seamless to you, so I don't know why I'm telling you. Well, it would have been had I not spent 5 minutes telling you that's what I was doing. Bye. I forgot to show you these from the JoAnn's. These are tags that say handmade by, and then you write who it's handmade by. So you would write Tammy, or I would write Tammy, especially for and then you can put whoever it's for. And then on the other side, it has wash and care instructions. So it's kind of cute. So here we go. Handmade by Tammy, especially for Katie. Handmade for you. And then on the back, I could put size small, fiber wool, care, and then tell her how to wash it. And if there's any special instructions, like maybe wash inside out or something like that. So I got a 12 pack of those as well. So yay. Thank you. Hi guys, so I got my second box from JoAnn's. So I just want to quickly show you what else I got, because I got some really chunky, nice of the Bernat Softy Chunky yarn. And this is in the colorway True Gray. And it is really pretty, and it's nice and squishy. I like this chunky yarn, and it gets really good reviews. So it is 100% acrylic, but it is very nice. And then also I got the white in the Soft Baby Steps. So this is the same as the other gray, so it's a little smaller. This is in the color white. There are 256 yards in here. This is by Red Heart. It's a medium weight, and it's 100% acrylic too. And then I got another one of the Softy Chunkies. This one is in the color Eucalyptus. It's a really pretty green color. And I think I'm going to make something for my husband with that. His favorite color is green. I also got a Red Heart Soft Baby Steps. Seems like I have a... These were on sale. That's the reason I picked this particular brand. And I thought this colorway was really cute. And I think I'm going to make a sweater with this. It is... it says it's 3 balls. It's 204 yards. 204 yards. Jambo likes it, don't you? And it's a size medium. You use a size 8 or a 5mm knit needles. So pretty cool. Let's see. I also got a Red Heart with Love in the color tan, I believe. This is again for my Santa. Yes, it's in the color tan. This is for my Santa baskets that I'm hoping to make for next year. I'm not putting that pressure on myself for this year. I have a receipt or an order slip. I'm going to put that with my others. Get kisses from my kitty. So sweet. And let's see, I got the Red Heart with Love. This one is in the color Hollyberry. I got cherry red and hollyberry. I don't exactly know why, but sometimes I just need red yarn. So I thought that I would get that. And again, this is why I got these two. These are in the color Merlot. And I thought that was a really pretty color. And I was right, it is pretty. It's hard to tell online, but it is like a very nice wine color. And then this one is for the Santas too. And this is in the color Bubblegum. This is for his cheeks. So I have red for his hat, pink for his cheeks, white for his cap, and then tan for his skin. So that is going to be my Santa. And then I think I'm going to make a sweater with this. I just want to see what it looks like stitched up. And I think I'm going to make a hat with this. And I think I'm going to make a cowl with these. So I have plans. That's a good thing. It's nice when I have plans for the yarn that I buy. So that is my haul from JoAnn's, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and happy stitching. Yay!